Have you ever made zucchini fritters that look perfect, but fall apart in the pan? In this video, I'll show you exactly what makes them stay together in the pan. If you cook with vegetables often, you probably know this problem. I am Mashid and will show you how I cook at my kitchen. You mix everything, heat the pan, flip the fritter, and it breaks. I've been there too. Today, I want to show you a very simple zucchini and potato fritter that stays together, doesn't stick, and cooks beautifully in a pan. If you find out the secret, please comment for others. Let's start with the vegetables. First, chop the onion and bell pepper into small pieces. I grate zucchini, potato, and onion. This step is very important. Squeeze out as much liquid as you can. Zucchini holds a lot of water, and too much moisture is the main reason fritters fall apart. Next, I add finely chopped onion, bell pepper, spices, and 3 eggs. Eggs help bind the mixture, but they are not enough by themselves. Here is the key step that makes the difference. I add a small amount of breadcrumbs. Not too much, just enough to absorb extra moisture and give structure. Mix gently until everything comes together. The texture should be soft, but not watery or loose. Heat a non-stick pan with a little oil over medium heat. Don't rush this part. A pan that's too hot can burn the outside and leave the inside raw. Add the mixture, shape it lightly, and let it cook without touching it for a few minutes. When the bottom is golden and firm, flip it carefully. And that's it. No breaking, no sticking. Just a simple homemade vegetable fritter that works every time. If this was helpful, save the recipe and try it at home.